Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Anker Soundcore Spirit X2 earbuds, and in this video I will show you how to perform different functions. So the first step is related to how to pair these earbuds. Okay, so you have to open your charging case. Okay, and once you open your charging case, just put your earbuds inside. Okay, and once you put it inside, just close the charging case. Okay, you have to keep it closed for few seconds and then you have to open it. Okay, so now I will open this charging case, and once you open it, after few seconds you will see the right earbuds and the LED indicator on the right earbud, it will start blinking. Okay, so I will show you. So you will see over here, so now you can see the right earbud start blinking. Now what you can do is just bring your phone. Okay, and then just turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, you just have to turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, so first of all what you can do is just press and hold this Bluetooth icon. So I just turn it on, it will take you to your Bluetooth setting, and here you can see the available devices. Now it is showing you the Soundcore Spirit X2. Okay, so now just select it, and once you select it, it will give you a notification and it says Bluetooth pairing request, allow access to your contacts and call history. If you want to select, you can select. If you don't want, it's up to you. So I just pair it. Okay, so now this right side of the earbud is now paired. Now it will ask you for the pairing request of the left earbud. So again I just pair it. Okay, so now you can see both earbuds are now paired. Now you can listen to whatever you want to listen. It is now connected with your phone. So guys, the next step is related to controlling the sound, phone calls and voice assistants. For play and pause, press this multi-function button on the left or right earbud. So you can see this is for play and pause. Okay, for the next song, for the next music, press and hold this plus button on the right earbud for 1 second. Okay, so this is the plus button which is on top side. So I will show you. So you can see over here, this is a plus button over here. So you have to just press it press and hold it for 1 second. Okay, for playing the next song. Okay, for the previous song, press and hold the minus button on the left earbud. So on the left earbud you will see this minus sign. You have to press and hold it for the previous song or for the previous music. Okay, and for the volume up, press this plus button. Okay, and for the volume down, just press this minus button. Okay, you just have to press it one time for the volume up or volume down. Okay, for answering or end the call, press the multi-function button on left on right earbud. So when you want to answer or end the call, just press this multi-function button on the left earbud on the right earbud. So you can see this is the multi-function button. You can use this for answering and ending the call as well. For reject the call, press and hold the multi-function button on right or left earbud for 1 second. Okay, so same button you have to press it for 1 second to reject the call on both. You can use any of this earbud for the left or right. Just press and hold it for 1 second. Okay, to activate the voice assistant, okay, press the multi-function button on left or right earbud twice. So 2 times if you press it for the voice assistant, it will activate the voice assistant with this multi-function button if you press it 2 times. So the second tip is related to how to turn on or off your earbuds. So guys, there are two methods. The first one is if they are inside the charging case. If you open the charging case, okay, they will turn on automatically. And if you close the charging case, they will turn off, okay, and they start charging. Okay, so the second method is by turning them on or off manually. So for example, if I take them out, so if you want to turn it off, you have to use this multifunction button which is on the downside. Okay, so you see this button over here, I will show you. So you can see this button over here. So this is a multifunction button. You have to press this button for 5 seconds to turn it off, and you will see the LED indicator will be red. So I will do it now. So I press this button for 5 seconds. Okay, so now you see it turn red and now it is off. Same thing with the other earbuds. Okay, and now for example, if you want to turn it on, you just have to again press this multifunction button for 1 second only and it will turn on. Okay, so now I will press this for 1 second. Okay, so now you can see now it is turn on. So this is how you can turn them on or off. The next tip is related to how to pair earbuds with another device. So basically there are two methods. The first one is to turn off the Bluetooth from the first device and turn on the Bluetooth on a new device or on a new mobile phone. Okay, so the second method is put the earbud inside the charging case. Okay, and put it inside, make sure that they are charging. Okay, and on the back side you will see a button on the charging case. You see this this round button, so just press and hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, so once you press and hold for 3 seconds, you will see in one of the earbuds the LED indicator will start blinking. So you can see over here the LED indicator start blinking. Now you can turn on the other phone Bluetooth and select the sound core from the menu, and then you can connect it. Okay, the fifth tip is related to how to reset the earbuds to solve the connectivity and functional issues. So again, place the earbuds inside the charging case and keep it open, and again press and hold the button on the charging case for 10 seconds until the LED indicator flash red. Okay, so now I press and hold this back button for 10 seconds and you will see the red LED indicator. Okay, I will show you. So now, so you can see over here now the red LED indicator start blinks, and then again it turn on the white indicator. So it means that all the earbuds are reset and restart the Spirit X2 with its default settings. Okay, so then again you have to repair it with your device. So this is how you can reset and restart your earbuds by pressing the back button for 10 seconds until the LED indicator light turn on red and then again turn on to white. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.